The United States 1976 half dollar is a special bicentennial coin minted to commemorate the 200th anniversary of American independence, 1776 to 1976. Here's a detailed breakdown. General information. Denomination, half dollar, 50 cents. Mint years, 1975 to 1976. Number 1975 dated half dollars were minted. Composition, 2 types. Clad, copper nickel 91.67% copper, 8.33% nickel. 40% silver, collector's edition 40% silver, 60% copper. Mint marks. No mint mark Philadelphia. D. Denver. S. San Francisco. Edge, reeded. Weight, clad version, 11.34 grams. Silver version, 11.50 grams. Diameter, 30.6 millimeters. Designer, obverse, Gilroy Roberts. Reverse, Seth G. Huntington. Obverse front, features a left-facing portrait of President John F. Kennedy. Inscription, Liberty at the top. In God we trust below Kennedy's chin. The dual dates 1776 to 1976 at the bottom. Reverse back depicts Independence Hall in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a historical site where the Declaration of Independence and U.S. Constitution were debated and signed. Inscription, United States of America at the top, half dollar at the bottom. 200 years of freedom above Independence Hall. A small bell to the left and a tiny moon to the right. Mintage production. Value and collectability. Circulated clad versions are generally worth face value, 50 cents. Uncirculated and proof-clad coins can be worth $1 to $5. 40% silver versions have intrinsic value based on silver content, often worth $5 to $10 or more depending on silver prices. Proof and high-grade coins, MS65+, can fetch $15 to $50 plus, with rare high-end examples worth hundreds of dollars. Would you like information